Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. So in today's video, I'm gonna make two recipes. One is gonna be salmon tartar, and the second one is gonna be salmon ceviche. So for ingredients, let's check down below. So first, for salmon tartar, the ingredients you need is filet salmon, which is boneless and skinless, extra virgin olive oil, shallots, green onion, lemon, salt and black pepper for seasoning, and then sesame seed oil. Second, for salmon ceviche, you just need to remove the sesame oil and then you add green chili pepper and tomato. So now let's start cooking. So the first recipe I'm gonna make is for salmon tartar. So you wanna slice salmon small, and then in the end of the day you're gonna chop this finely. So usually I dice them up first, and then with knife I'm just gonna chop them roughly look like this. And then now when you're done, you just transfer it to a bowl. And for the ceviche, you just wanna dice it into bite size. So approximately like this. So once you're done, just transfer it to a bowl. So when everything's done, you're gonna season them. For tartar seasoning, a little bit of salt, a little bit of black pepper, 1-2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. So I'm gonna use 2. 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, shallots. You wanna finely chop the shallots. Same thing with the green onion, lemon zest, and then juice from half lemon. And we're gonna mix them all up. So I'm gonna put it on the side. So it's pretty much done. I'm gonna leave it for about 15 minutes. And while we're waiting, we're gonna move to ceviche. So for ceviche, shallots and green onion, the same. Tomato, green chili pepper or bell pepper, seasoning, a little bit of salt and black pepper, 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, and juice from half lemon. And now I'm gonna mix them all up. Give it a little taste. I like the taste. It's really good. So now we're gonna do the plating. Alright guys, so this is the final result. So over here it's tartar, and over here is ceviche. Give it a try. It's very simple, it's very easy to make. So that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please give us a like, comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.